Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to hide photos, videos and documents on any HyperOS phone. Now to do that, just open the gallery app on your smartphone. Now from here just tap and hold on any photo on your gallery app. Now from here just select the photos and videos which you want to hide. Just like that. Now from here just tap on Add to Album and tap on Private Album. Now from here tap on OK. Now as you can see we have successfully hidden the photos and videos on our gallery app. Now from here to get the access of the hidden photos and videos, just tap on Albums. Now from here just swipe down. Now from here just enter the password of the private album. Now as you can see, these are the photos and videos we have just hidden. Now to unhide the photos and videos from the private album, just tap and hold on the photos and videos. Now from here, just select the photos and videos which you want to unhide. Now from here, just tap on remove from private album. Now from here, just select an album where you want to place these images. I will select camera. Now as you can see, we have successfully hidden and unhidden the photos and videos on our gallery app. Now if you want to hide or unhide the documents on your smartphone, just go to your home screen and open the File app. Now from here, just open the File Manager app. Now from here, just select the documents which you want to hide. Just like that. Now from here, just tap on More. Now from here, tap on Make Private. Now from here, tap on Make Private. Now as you can see, we have successfully hidden the documents from our Files app. Now to get access of the files we have just hidden, just tap on Storage. Now from here, just swipe down. Now from here, just tap on Cancel and enter the password of your private files. Now as you can see, these are the files we have just hidden. Now from here, to unhide these files and to remove them from the private files section, just tap and hold on the files and select the files which you want to unhide. Just like that. Now from here, just tap on Remove. Now from here, select Internal Storage and select the folder where you want to place these files. I will select Downloads and tap on Remove. Now as you can see, we have successfully removed these files from our private files section. And if you go back, now as you can see, we have unhidden the files on our Files app. And this is how you can hide photos and videos and documents on any HyperOS phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.